In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. A countdown timer is a simple but effective way to keep an important deadline, launch date, event, or personal milestone visible right inside your workspace. Since Notion doesn't include a built-in countdown feature by default, the easiest method is to use an external widget and embed it into your page. The good news is that the setup is quick, and once it's in place, it looks clean and works well alongside the rest of your content. To get started, create a countdown widget using a service such as Indify, Tick Counter, or Block's Countdown Timer. Any of these options can work, so you can choose the one that gives you the style and customization you prefer. When you open the widget tool, begin by entering the event name. This is the label that will appear with the timer, so make it clear and specific. For example, you might use something like a project deadline, a product launch, or an upcoming meeting. Next, set the target date and time. This step is important because the countdown will update based on exactly what you choose. Make sure the date, time, and time zone are correct, especially if the event is tied to a specific deadline. A small mistake here can throw off the entire timer, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. After that, customize the colors and style of the widget. This is where you can make the timer match the look of your Notion page. Depending on the service you're using, you may be able to adjust the background, text color, font, layout, or overall theme. If you want the timer to blend in, keep it minimal. If you want it to stand out, choose a more noticeable design. Once everything looks the way you want, copy the widget's embed URL. This link is what allows Notion to display the countdown inside your page, so be sure to copy the embed link provided by the widget service, and not just the page URL if there's a difference. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the timer to appear. Click into the page, type /embed, and select the embed option from the menu. Then paste the URL you copied from the widget service. After that, click embed link. Notion will insert the countdown timer directly into the page, and from there you can reposition it or resize it to fit your layout. If the timer doesn't appear correctly right away, check that the embed URL was copied properly and that the widget was published or saved on the external service. And that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer in Notion.